Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe Premiere Pro LUT packs for color grading, full guide step by step clearly. To download Adobe Premiere Pro LUT packs for color grading, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Adobe Premiere Pro LUT packs download and hit enter. Browse through the search results to find reputable sources. Look for websites that are known for offering free or paid LUT packs, like Adobe's official site or trusted third-party creators. Once you find a suitable source, click on the link to visit the website. Explore the available LUT packs listed on the site. Choose the LUT pack that you wish to download. Make sure to check the compatibility information to ensure it works with your version of Premiere Pro. Click the download button to start the downloading process. If prompted, select the location on your computer where you want to save the downloaded file. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is located. If the download is in a compressed format, such as a zip file, right-click on the file and select Extract or Unzip. Once extracted, you will see the individual LUT files, typically in .qt. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to the Color workspace by clicking on the Color tab at the top of the screen. In the Lumetri Color panel, look for the Creative section. Within the Creative section, find the option that says Look. Next to the Look option, click on the drop-down menu. Select Browse from the drop-down. A File Explorer window will open, prompting you to locate your downloaded LUT files. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the LUT files. Select the desired LUT file and click Open. The selected LUT will now be applied to your footage. You can further adjust the intensity of the LUT using the intensity slider. Continue to experiment with different LUTs to find the perfect look for your project. Once satisfied with the color grading, proceed with editing your video as usual. Now you have successfully downloaded and applied LUT packs in Adobe Premiere Pro for enhanced color grading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.